Hi guys, how to download Geometry Dash on PC. Now, open your web browser, go to Google, and search for Geometry Dash on Steam. This gets you straight to the official game page without clicking on fake download links. Click the official Steam link. Then, on the Steam website, click the Install Steam button in the top header. Here is a mistake most people make. Don't click any ads, download the installer and set up your Steam client and account properly. Open the newly installed Steam application on your PC, log into your account, and navigate to the Store tab. Keep watching because the next step shows exactly where to search. Type Geometry Dash into the Steam Store search bar. Select the game, scroll down, and click the Add to Cart button. Then follow the payment checkout steps. This part is quick, but don't skip verifying your purchase. Once the purchase is complete, go to your Steam Library tab, find Geometry Dash in your game list, and click the Install button. After installation, click Play, and you are ready to jump in. That's it! You are now ready to play Geometry Dash.